Hello, this is Mary. I'd like to show you a 27 LRSS. This is a 2022 North Trail. Look at that beautiful cap there. Wouldn't you love that? You've got power jack here. Really big storage. I mean, you can fit a lot of gear in there. Camping gear, tables. You do have power stabilizing jacks here. So let's come on inside. I really like the colors of this unit. They're very soft, calming, really modern feel. And as you can see, the kitchen, you've got lots of storage up above. Oversized fridge. Nice place to be able to just play cards, hang out, plus someone could be sitting over here. So it's a really enjoyable time. Okay, so let's come and look in the bathroom. I really like it, it's cute. A nice little shower curtain, nice style there. And in the bedroom, there is a king-size bed. So I'm gonna come on back here. King-size bed, and if you look all around here, there's storage, and then right here, there's extra storage right here too. Let me open that for you. So if you would like to buy this trailer, if you'd like to come out and look at anything that we have here on the lot, please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590.